Today, we're diving into an essential part of starting your LLC, understanding the registered office and registered agent. This is your go-to place for making sure your business is compliant and ready to roll smoothly. First things first, let's break down what a registered office and registered agent are. These are crucial for your LLC formation documents, and you need to have them figured out before you can proceed. The registered office is a street address where legal documents can be delivered if your LLC gets sued. Remember, it can't be a P.O. box. It has to be a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed. The registered agent is the person or company at that address who agrees to accept legal mail and other important documents on behalf of your LLC. This could include complaints, summons, or subpoenas. They also typically receive business and tax notices, payment reminders, and other official documents from the state. Some states, like Colorado, offer multiple options for designating your registered agent. You can be your own registered agent, your LLC can be its own registered agent, a friend or family member can be your registered agent, or you can hire a commercial registered agent. If you have a street address in Colorado, you can either choose to be your own registered agent or let your LLC be its own registered agent. This offers a bit of privacy compared to using your personal address. If you don't have a street address in Colorado, you can either use a trusted friend or family member's address or hire a commercial registered agent. A commercial registered agent is a company that specializes in receiving legal documents on behalf of businesses. They usually charge between $100 to $300 per year, and they will forward any documents they receive to you. If you decide to hire a commercial registered agent, we recommend a company like legalregistration.com, which has a solid reputation and affordable fees. You can find more information and instructions on how to sign up for our services on our website. So, whether you choose to handle the registered agent duties yourself, enlist a friend, or hire a professional, make sure you take care of this step before moving forward with your LLC formation documents. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For all your business needs, visit legalregistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.